Guys, send this to your bacon friends right now. I have a new song. Send it. Send it. Oof, oof, oof. Everybody calls me Bacon Live. Please stop the bully. Hachu blessing. I keep my hair doesn't need shampoo. I keep it oily just for you. I'm gonna get some love. I never get that some good luck. I'll never get some slanders and baddies. This is the part 2. If you don't have baddie, please tell me. If you want to be friends, I'll be happy. If you don't wanna be friends, I'll be sadly in my room lonely. I don't even have a house because I am so lonely. I don't even some money from my panky. My mommy left. My mommy left some money. $1. Bacon's, part 3. If I never get good luck, I will be bad luck. If I never get some love, I will be fatouch. If you want to get some footage, I will rape someone because of my love. Oops, I will never rape someone. I don't want them to be in the jail. I don't want to be fragile. I don't want to be rotten. I don't want to be a skeleton forever. Don't worry about that. I will not do that because I love this life. Even though I can't believe, even though I get bad luck, even though I had the worst life, but the important thing is to be in the God. Don't worry about him because he controls our life. Part 4. I wanna be a baker, I wanna be rich. If I need to be good to go to heaven, don't worry about me, I will be so funny, forever you will be. Not sadly, you will be happy. Oof, 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 oof.